Alright, so I'm just showing you how to use a calculator to solve this. So you'd do is you'd set x4 to s1, and then this is what you would type in for the other solutions. I'm pretty sure they wanted, yeah, they would just have you type this in, type in s1 here, comma, this s1, comma, this s1, comma, and then s1. Alright, hope that helps.